Hi there, and welcome to iHealthBrokers 1-Minute Healthcare Update. As always, if you have questions about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at 888-918-0518. We are licensed nationwide, and there is absolutely no charge for our services. And make sure to find us at iHealthBrokers at YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. As of July 1st, health insurers must post on their website every price they have negotiated with healthcare providers and hospitals. This is in addition to the price transparency rule that already has gone into effect. This may be the first time that many are able to see exactly how their insurer stacks up. Finally, people will really be able to compare apples to apples. For example, you might be able to see exactly how much Aetna might pay for a hip replacement surgery versus United Healthcare. Now, in all honesty, there are some issues because the price transparency rule, which has already been in effect, has not been taken seriously by many hospitals. In fact, less than 50% have actually fully complied with the law. However, insurers that are non-compliant with this new rule can be charged up to $300 per day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at 888-918-0518. Have a wonderful day.